Hello, friends. How's it going? Juan here from the Governance Squad, joined today by Andy, Lemu, and Nico, developers of the team. Hope you're having a fine day today. I wanted to walk you guys through what we have been working on lately. So, the main themes for the work we've been doing this last few weeks has been around visibility and agility. And today we're going to be showing you guys four different things that we have been working on. First, edit project updates that will enable beneficiaries and, well, people from grants or a proposals team to provide project updates, but edit these project updates. Right now, we only have the capability of simply creating one. Now we've added the capability of editing the updates. Number two, proposals voted on. This is a new module that will be shown on the profile. Whenever you go onto a profile, you have a bunch of information. Now we've added a new bit of information. We think that this will enable us to understand better how users are behaving. And number three, Discord bot notifications. We're going to be using a bot to let users know about new proposals that have been posted. They will get a notification every time the proposal finishes voting and its results and updates. Again, this will be for all proposals. And then we have number four, sentiment survey. Sentiment survey is yet another way of trying to have better quality information regarding how users feel regarding specific proposals that they may be voting in. We want our teams and everybody really to actually be aware of how people feel specifically about different bits of the proposal. So without further ado, I want to leave the rest of the guys to showing you guys what we've been up to. So Nico, want to take it away?
Yes, thank you. Well, first of all, as Juan mentioned, I will show you the edit project updates feature. So I will share my screen now. Right now, you should be seeing my screen. For example, I have here an example of a grant. Is my local development environment. So for example, I have here an update posted here, and I now have the option to edit it. So if I go here, I have the data here. So for example, if I edit here and I edit view, this is already done, and I can publish. Here is a model to make sure you really wants to edit the update. And so saving this update will update any previous. So if I do this, it's updated. And if I go now here, you can see here edit, and now you can see when was posted originally the update and when was the last time it was edited. It's really simple feature. No, there's no more about to say. Then second thing I want to show you is the option, the voted proposals on a profile. Here we have like the Shino profile. Here if you scroll down, you can see all the proposals this profile, this user voted on, and also if his vote is the same or the result of the proposal at the end. For example, here he voted yes, and the proposal got passed, so the stance is the same. But for example, here he also voted yes, but the proposal got rejected, so the stance differs. And here, for example, he voted yes or no. It's not makes no difference here, but because of the proposal is still active, you cannot see if the stance is shared or not. And here, of course, you can load more votes right now. Okay, and see all the previous votes as well. And also from my side, I want to show you the Discord notifications as well. So if I go here, for example, go to proposals and want to publish a new proposal, for example, name band a name, sorry, and I testing demo, add demo, and proposal. If I go to Discord, here you will see a new notification saying that I posted a new proposal, and the name testing demo, the options, and the timestamp. And if you click here, it will take you to the page. Here you can see this one. Oops. And also when this proposal is finished, also the Discord bot will post a new message saying what was the result. But in the meantime, while we wait for that, I can also show you how it's the message when someone posts a new update for a grant. So if I go again to this demo grant, I can go here, post an update, and say demo, and then the same here, doesn't matter. If I publish this update and go again to the Discord channel, here you can see again with another color that I posted a new update, and here is the number of the update and a little bit of info about the update. This is not the final version. We have to review it, but it's an ongoing project. This is not finished, so
it's ongoing and it's beautiful, especially the colors. Thank you for that. It's so valuable.
Okay.
I like thinking of this as this is a step towards some sort of gamification, personalization. Right now, as a first version, we need to make sure that we have something that exists and works. We are detecting specific events, so in the future we will like to detect more events, and maybe so that they will be oriented towards things that the user cares about, like things the user is specifically indicated that they care about.
Mm-hmm.
So
and also,
thanks for that.
As I mentioned, there's also one notification missing, but we should have to wait until the proposal is finished. But I don't think there's no need for that. But just to
This is great. Thank you very much, Nico. And I believe we have Lemu to show us one last thing.
Sorry, I just want to say something. The Discord bot is in progress. We hope to release soon, but the first two features, the edit proposal update and the voted proposals and the profile, are already released, and you can enjoy them and try them. That's it. Lemu, go ahead.
Thanks for that.
Okay, thank you guys. Hi everyone. I'm going to show you the ongoing development of the Sentient Survey. Let me share my screen. I don't know if this is the best way to do it. So can you see it okay?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, great. So there are several changes in the proposal page. As Juan said, we wanted to be able to gather how the community feels about each section of our proposal, or really about any topic we want to gather information on, so that you can see how they feel. And also it's important for the grant support squad to know which parts of a proposal are the ones that community loved most or is more concerned about. So here we made some changes. Now when you want to see the results, you need to scroll down, and this will show you the ongoing results or the finished results with the total votes and how much time is left for the voting to end, or how long ago has it ended. And then you can see this new section here where we gather all the voter sentiments. These are the different topics that we can query about for each kind of proposal, and these are the available reactions. Love this, like this, you feel neutral, or you're concerned about something. And this is like the sum of each vote. So how does this work? When you want to vote, now there's a new model that shows you the list of topics, and you can choose to react how you want to. Let's say I love everything. I don't want to react to some of this because I don't care enough, and I'm concerned about this value proposition. So if I cast the vote, now we see that we are sending this information to Snapshot, so it's going to be there also on their site. There now the vote is registered, and we can see that, for example, here it's added my vote to the sentiments we had registered before. And also this shows on Snapshot, for example, if I go to the proposal, you can see here that the users that voted left a comment. This is in case, for example, you want to review the information in here, or if Snapshot fails. Now we also developed a new way for the community to be able to vote if governance and Snapshot communication is not working as expected. Let's say we receive some random voting error from Snapshot. So this is how it's going to look. Let's say I want to change my vote. I try to cast it, and I want to change my reactions to different things because I read some comments and they changed my mind. So if it fails to cast the vote 3 times, now our suggestion is to vote directly on Snapshot. So by clicking this button, you're going to go to the same page we already see. We already saw, but then you can also include your extra feedback. You can copy it and you can leave it there, for example, in here. And it is going to be reflected on our proposal page if we reload this proposal.
Sounds like bulletproofing voting. Nice.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it for now.
Amazing feature.
Thank you very much, team, for all the updates. Regarding this last one thing that I would like to direct everybody's attention to is get involved. If you vote, please take the time to actually go through the actual proposal, generate an opinion, be constructive, help the rest of us be better. We are trying to create a product that will make getting involved easier and better overall. So please join us in making everything be better. That's it from my end.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
I think that's it. See you next
Bye-bye.
time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.